Hi everyone, welcome to the course. In this introductory video, I'm excited to share what we will be learning together. This course is all about solar basics. We will cover a variety of essential topics and I will be showing you everything through my screen. I've put together a comprehensive list of the sessions we will cover, and there are about 77 topics in total. I plan to break these down over the course of 30 sessions. Each session will last about an hour at most. If we find ourselves going over that time, I'll split the session into two parts to make it easier to digest. And and if I think we can tackle more topics in an hour, I will adjust our schedule, which could reduce those 30 sessions down to maybe 20 or 25. So we'll see how it goes. I want to say a big welcome to the course. I hope you'll enjoy the learning process as much as I enjoy teaching it. I hope you'll find everything I'm sharing easy to understand. Thanks for joining me, and I can't wait to see you in the course. See you there.